Hi everyone, I'm going to make a set of earrings, and let's get started. I hope y'all are doing alright today. I haven't made any earrings in a while. Well, I have on the website, or on the YouTube, but I haven't made any in a little bit. Since we're gonna start with, I think that's like a 3mm. That's about a 6mm, so that's about 8. And so this little is a 4. This one will be about an 8. Whoops. I just laid out just enough, so I better not drop them. And we're using, it feels like 24 gauge wire. And we'll do that. Okay, let's get the other one on. Find our little bead. Then our daisy. I've got 2 different kinds of beads here. I guess whenever I laid them out, I decided to use 2 different kinds. I don't know. It'll work. I might have been running out of those. That might be it. I went wrong. About had an escapee. Alright, then we'll put this one on. It's sort of like a barrel shape, like a rose quartz color. These are a quick little pair of earrings you can make. I just like to put up some little simple stuff for people to make that anybody can make. So that's what it's going to look like. So we'll take our round nose. And since this is thin wire, we will wrap it. Because if we don't, it's not going to stay. Back, go over. I feel like I'm losing my voice and I don't know why. I know whenever I try to talk quiet so I don't blow the mic up on this thing, but I get hoarse sounding. That must be it. Alright. Now, let's clip it as close as we can get it. And I still haven't bought any pliers. Any cutters. I haven't been anywhere to go get any. tips are wore out. Well, let's see if I can push the rest of that down. Well, I'm going to have to use 2 pliers. Use them. See where your little end is. There. And then come in real careful around that stone and just work that wire down. That way it don't catch on anything. And we'll do the same thing with this one. Might be easier to cut it with that too. Oh, and y'all, I separated my art and put it on a second channel, so if anybody's looking for that, it's on A Museful Life Art. So I hope y'all come over and subscribe to that if you're interested. I felt like that some people just wanted to see jewelry making, and then some people just wanted to see art, and did a little a poll, and it wasn't really conclusive, so didn't have enough people participate, I guess. This one has a ball on it, that one didn't. Oh. Well, do I have one? I thought that's the same. No. Okay. We'll take this one off. That one don't look the same. Well, I want to do with it. So, alright. Now, some of these will open from the back and some will open from the front. It just depends on the manufacturer. You'll have to hold that little bead up, and I like to put them on the same way. If you can tell on the wrap which way you wrapped it, I like to put it on the same way. Probably don't matter, but I like to. So these open up on the back, you just twist it. You don't ever pull it open. There. And twist it back. And then make sure it's closed. And there's a real easy little pair of earrings you can do. I like that color, and I'm not much on pink. Blue's my color, and I like that color. It reminds me of hacienda, a thread color. Okay, y'all have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching to the end and liking and subscribing. It does really help me out, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.